Now we want to do period versus length, and we're going to make a graph of that, and that'll be a scatter graph. Okay? Now the lengths are just what they were, and I'm going to actually list them backwards, from lowest to highest. So I'm just copying down the lengths. And now the period in cycles per minute. Now we're not going to go into details of how I'm calculating this. I'm just going to tell you, because it's fairly obvious, but if you don't understand, at least you maybe believe me, okay? Okay, first of all, you were counting half cycles, so your number of cycles would be double. That would be half of these numbers, right? Then we're doing per minute. Well, 15 seconds is a fourth of a minute, right? So we have here, for example, 1/4 of a minute, 20 half cycles, right? Well, it'd be 4 times that many cycles if you counted for a minute, right?
Yes.
Pretty obvious. If you count for a minute, you're going to get 4 times as many, right? So you're going to get 80 half cycles, which would be 40 cycles. Okay? So the period for this one is 40 cycles per minute. Okay? Now, 10-second count, well, you'd have 6 times that many in a minute, obviously. 6 times 15 is 90. Half of that is 45, because these would be half cycles. To get the cycles, you're going to only have half as many, so that'd be 45. Okay? 5 seconds is 1/12 of a minute. Okay? So 12 times 9 is 108. You divide that by 2, you get 54. This is 1/6 of a minute. 6 times 20 is 120. Half cycles in a minute. Half of that is the number of cycles in a minute. That would be 60. 15 is 1/4 of a minute. You multiply that by 36, you get 144. And half of that is 72, so you get 72 cycles per minute. Okay? Now we sketch a graph of these data points, and that'll be a scatter graph. So I'm going to do that, do it off camera, because you can do it too. So go ahead and you sketch your own, but I'll sketch mine, and we'll see who does a better job.